let's make your new favorite high protein, high fiber lunch that takes only 5 minutes. Welcome back to ADHD Bites. My name is Annika and we are going to make some ADHD food that is good for you and only takes 5 minutes. Let's do it. Also, this is my mandatory YouTube plug. If you're not subscribed, please do make sure you hit that like button, and then you'll get more information on how to help your ADHD using food scientifically, as well as some fun recipes like this. So it's a good time over here. Now that that's done, let's do it. As always, let's start with the ingredients because I love describing what I'm eating. Actually, I don't know why I said that. All of this is from Aldi, 90-second rice. I like this bag stuff. I also prefer jasmine rice because I think it tastes the best. You can get brown rice. It'll give you like a little bit more nutrients, but 90-second rice, you just throw in the microwave. Now this is actually 4 servings. It says 1 serving, but when you do like the ADHD plate method, you're only going to use like 1/4 of this per meal, okay? You can just freeze the rest, refrigerate the rest. You follow your heart. Greek yogurt is the next thing. I love Greek yogurt. It has plenty of probiotics, but also it has protein. And oh my gosh, my kitty, I don't know if you could hear that. We'll find out. Oh, it's so sad. Do you just want to be held? Hi. Okay, we're gonna do this with Cosette. Everyone say hi to Cosette. Cosette, say hi. So cute. Okay, anyway, Greek yogurt, yeah, whatever. A can of tuna. Now, tuna, I always get it in water, not in oil. Personally, I think it's better for me. It makes me feel better. Anyway, canned tuna is like one of my favorite things because it's 23 grams of protein. Oh my gosh, so much protein. And it's like barely anything. And so for me, who struggles to eat a lot of food, it's a good one. To make it high fiber, do not use kale because it's not high fiber, but that's the only vegetable I have right now. So we're gonna use that. I usually use some sort of like pea or edamame or maybe a bean, but really I have to go grocery shopping. So I don't even know why I'm making this right now because I should just go grocery shopping instead. Don't go on there, honey. Not from Aldi. This is the only thing you can't get from there, but it is this specific spicy chili crisp. Oh my gosh, if you have never tried this before, you have to. It is one of the best things in the entire world. I will put it in almost anything. You put it on eggs, you put it in soup, especially broth soup. Oh, it's so good. It's like truly the best. Add it to your like ramen packets. Y'all, go get this. I hope I have influenced you, and then you're gonna be like, wow, Annika, you literally changed my life just by telling me to get this. And then the last is sesame seed. Get some more little bits of fiber in there, but also it's a new plant. Add some plants, right? We just want to get up to 30 plants. It doesn't matter what they are, but seeds is a great way to get it. And we don't usually eat a lot of sesame seeds if you're a white person like me, so. Wow, I feel like I just talked a lot. Anyway, I'm gonna go throw this into the microwave. Give me 2 seconds. Oh my gosh, you guys, I have therapy in 10 minutes that I just saw on my phone. We're gonna make this really, really quick. So I'm actually going to do some stuff while I cook. Okay, grab yourself a nice little bowl and then drain your tuna. Whew, I can breathe. I feel like when I start to rush, I actually get more messy and then it takes longer. That is something I learned from her name is Alina. I'll try to remember to tag her, but she's on Instagram. I don't know if she's on like YouTube at all. She might be. I'll try to find her. But yeah, she's fantastic. I highly recommend following her for nervous system stuff and not some nice little reminders. So you just dump it. Hello, there it is. Next, you just add some of your Greek yogurt. We're gonna use the Cool Fuss spoon. The reason is because I have no spoons left. Well, I have these other spoons, but those don't count. Add some rice. Yeah, that's about good. Can't even see what I'm doing. There we go. And then add the holy grail. Seriously, it is actually the best thing in the entire world. It has so much flavor. It makes things taste amazing. So look, this is a shirt that I got from my in-laws. I love my in-laws so much. We started playing Zelda together during COVID, and I never really was a video game person until then. And now I am a video game person. So I have been playing Genshin for almost the last like 4 years now. which is crazy that I haven't gotten bored of it yet, which, like, I don't know. I feel like usually I get bored of things pretty easily, but I don't know. If you play Genshin, let me know. Maybe we can play together. All right, now that it's kind of ugly, we're gonna add some greens to it to make it look pretty so that I can photograph it for Instagram. Also, I'm deciding to make it look like a nice little dip instead because it looks kind of ugly. I honestly usually do just eat that out of a bowl, but for aesthetic purposes so that people click on my blog, we're gonna make it look like a dip. You're the only people who get to know about that. So we're gonna add some nice little cracker rounds, golden rounds from Aldi because we believe, right? We believe in buying cheaper things that have the same nutritional value just because it makes it way better on our budget. Okay. Anyway, look how pretty it is. Obviously, you can eat it however you want. This actually does look like it's going to taste good as a dip, though, so. I do have to get to therapy. I hope you enjoy this. Let me know if you do enjoy it or if you try it. While I just rush through that, I'm going to go to therapy. You go follow me if you feel that desire, or let me know if there is a food that you have tried, because I have a bunch of recipes in my head, but I would love to learn some more recipes so I can share those too, and obviously I'll credit you. So, all right, take care. See you where I see you, and I don't know. I hope you have a good day and don't forget to eat. Bye.